We're a global contractor and developer, and in the UK we focus on the civil engineering markets, commercial buildings markets, and also facilities management. At Skanska we've always taken our environmental responsibilities really seriously, but we want to be a low carbon leader, and that means taking carbon seriously. And in order to do that, you've got to demonstrate you have the technical skills and competence to be able to assess and improve carbon at every stage of the project. And that's what certification to PAS 2080 allows us to demonstrate.
I was the project lead on the PAS 2080 process. It was a lot of coordination amongst the disciplines and liaison with BSA and following through on the audit process. The assessment process probably took about 6 months from the initial meeting with BSA and the gap analysis right up until the stage 2 where we demonstrated the implementation of PAS 2080 on our projects. PAS 2080 for us as a business is really important because it increases our operational efficiency and allows us to collaborate well within disciplines. So we've linked up estimating, planning, design and the operational teams in a way that wouldn't have been done previously without PAS 2080. Also externally, it makes us more attractive to our clients because obviously carbon is a real issue at the minute, and it's something that we need to reduce in the future, and ultimately we can work with our clients in collaboration for that.
PAS 2080 and BSI certification is a really valuable tool and a really valuable thing to have, not only internally but to stakeholders and to clients. But it is a challenging process. It makes you very introspective, start to interrogate your own procedures, and also you have to look at the wider holistic view of construction, not just independent parts. I think PAS 2080 and BSI have allowed us to get that external kudos, get the external view on what we're doing, otherwise you're just doing the status quo.
Carbon is at the heart of everything we do at the moment, so the understanding of how we work better together is critical for us across the whole value chain. I think that's one of the powerful pieces of PAS 2080, is that it addresses the roles and responsibilities of everybody through the value chain, from the asset owner and asset managers that they employ through to the constructor, the product suppliers, and the supply chain and the designers. And so everyone can go in and understand their role and what part they can play. It's important for us to do it now because it shows a position of leadership in the sector and a real commitment to our people and our clients, that we're prepared to commit to this standard and work in line with it. And I think the more we can get the rest of the value chain working in the industry aligned with this, the better. The infrastructure impact on the UK carbon footprint accounts for about 50% of the carbon footprint. So it's a huge, huge impact, of which 30% of that is through the construction, the operation and maintenance of the UK's infrastructure assets. So we have a significant role to play in the carbon reduction targets that are being set by government. Reducing carbon will reduce our costs. That then in turn makes us more efficient and more effective, so we deliver better outcomes for our customers, we make better returns and profit for our shareholders, so it's definitely a win-win situation for the sector.
My advice, if you want to achieve PAS 2080, is to recognise that it's not just the environment team that will be able to deliver it. It requires collaboration and change across a whole number of different functions, including estimating, design, commercial and operations. It's a change to the whole way the business works.
I think whole life carbon of an asset is one of the biggest challenges in our industry. So PAS 2080 provides a platform for the whole value chain to work collaboratively to reduce the carbon emissions within an asset, but also to continually improve as an industry.
What I would say is it's really important for us to be working with recognised and reputable companies like BSI in accrediting the approach that we take, because it validates our position in the marketplace with our customers and our clients to show that actually we have a rigorous process behind the approach that we're taking to managing reduction in carbon, and give them confidence that when they're working with us as a partner that we have a rigorous approach behind it and we will deliver what we say we're going to do.
Our purpose is to build for a better society. PAS 2080 and BSI are taking us on the journey to lower carbon.